Welcome to Digital Answer Based YouTube channel. In this video today, we'll be looking at how to publish your Google Doc to the web. The advantage for that is literally you can then embed the actual link that you get into your Google post or into your social media post, and it will be directly linked to the actual Google Doc that you've created. What you need to do, there's two ways you can access it. First way to access it is once you're on your Google Doc, you can go up where it says share, next to share, where it says quick share action, click on there, and then public public on web. So anyone obviously with this link can then access this, so you can click on there, or you can go to file where it says share, publish to the web. Okay. So what you need to do right now is click on publish, and then it will tell you, okay, docs.google.com says, are you sure you want to do this? Press OK. And there you go. It has been published. So you're going to get this link. Then now you can take this link very easily. Then obviously you can then put it onto your social media websites, onto your website X, formerly known as Twitter. So you can put it on there. You can embed it into, if you want the embedded section, you can get this bit. You can embed it into your, your blog post. So yeah, these are the options you have. Let's say hypothetically speaking, you want to remove it, or you want to take it down and unpublish it. What you do is you go to publish and content and settings. What you do is very simple, is you say stop publishing, and then it's going to ask you okay, you press okay. So what happens right now is that particular link, that page, that Google Doc has been removed from the website, from the internet by Google, and you won't be able to share that anymore. So just bear in mind, if you do have it embedded in any Google Docs, in any website, in any blog post, it will also be removed from, so you basically will get a 404 section up. So yeah, this is how you do it. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please like the video. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have any questions. We always answer our comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.